preppers, welcome. Guys, it is super cold today and I love every bit of it. What are you talking about?
It's up to like 70 now.
We woke up this morning, it was 56 degrees outside.
Super
we
cold.
went, hey, for Texas, I'll take it. We were jazzed to go shopping, and so was everybody else.
Yep.
We were thinking we were getting there early, but it was already packed. So, but came up with 3 good dishes. One fall, just to celebrate you pumpkin spice peeps out there. I do have a pumpkin tomatoes pasta here. We got some cod, and then we have some one of our favorites, balsamic chicken coming up. Right here, right off the bat, we made this pasta. It used the whole box, so obviously we got 6 servings out of it. Should be good for dinners, I think, all night long. Just because we got veggies that we're going to serve on the side. So didn't want to put all that together. Yeah, we got some amazing roasted Brussels sprouts and green beans in there. Look at those, super tasty. But right here is a pumpkin tomato pasta bake. And that's exactly what it sounds like. Cook up the mushrooms and onions, throw in some tomato paste and some pumpkin puree. What's great about this is that you saute some walnuts and butter and some sage. Talk about autumny. Not too much though, and then you sprinkle it on top, especially over 6 servings. Spreads the fat out. It's a healthy fat, but it spreads it out. And then you bake it in the oven just to melt. There's some fontina cheese in there too. We cut it back a little bit though, half a cup in there and then half a cup on top.
And fontina can be a bit pricey, so little cost prohibitive. So mozzarella is a good alternative that's less expensive.
Or Parmesan. You can use Parmesan too.
Take some of the fat out there. Yeah.
And over here we've got a cod dish. Amy definitely jazzed this up. Looks so good. We had some lemon pepper panko that I accidentally bought, so we went ahead and used it on the fish. Pairs great. She sprayed it down. Oh, you sprayed it down. Oh, you basted it with a little bit of butter, and then you
basted it with butter to make all the stuff stick. It's got bread crumbs, Parmesan, salt, pepper, garlic breading, and then I sprayed it with a little bit of avocado oil to help crisp up all the goodies on top.
And then we got some amazing roasted potatoes in here. They're so crispy right now, but we know it's not going to last.
They're so crispy right now.
You warm it up.
Because I forgot to set a timer.
And then roasted carrots. Yes. Always a good sweet flavor to contrast against the fish.
Yep.
That was always good. Over here, we're going to have some balsamic chicken. Balsamic chicken. Let me show you the crock pot right here. So you spice up your chicken thighs with rosemary, thyme, oregano, a lot of different spices, and then put it in the crock pot in a balsamic vinegar and brown sugar mixture there. And just let it cook, guys. It breaks apart.
Making this for years.
Oh yeah, it's so good.
So yummy.
This was one of the dishes we did on our first post in the app.
Almost a year ago.
We brought it back out. It is phenomenal. We're going to pair this with some steamed broccoli and brown rice, and you got to have the juice.
Yes.
Right? So put the chicken in there and then drizzle the juice all in that rice.
So yummy. So many flavors.
Good fall dishes right here. I'm telling you, I'm so jazzed for fall coming. I just feel like it's going to be a vicious winter too. So we're going to have some chili, some stews, all that good stuff. Guys, let us know what you think. I hope you guys have a great weekend. All right, take care.